Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have this 2022 Subaru Outback Touring XT. 41,735, finish here at magnetite gray over brown. Really gorgeous spec on this car. I'm a sucker for brown leather, so pretty nice. 2.4 liter boxer turbocharged 4-cylinder. Oh, you know what? I haven't looked under the hood of this one. Not bad at all. Change the oil filter is easy. I mean, it's right there. Pretty cool. Let's go for a drive. Do love you have leg extensions. That's awesome. Have ventilated seats, which are very welcome. Awesome. Let's go ahead, go for a drive. Oh, I should probably show off the backup camera. Mirror drops down. You're good to go. Believe this one does have rear auto brake, which I can, I'll pull it up to this pole and demonstrate. Obviously, I'm gonna hover the brake because I don't want it to actually hit the pole. Might only work if you're going a decent speed. There it is. That's it. Yep, so you have to be going a decent speed towards it, which is good. I like that because you can't set it off accidentally. Auto start stop. Oh, I missed my turn. That was a blank of mind right there. That was just wah. Sat at this traffic light, perfectly fine. Actually really comfortable. So the brake starts up, good to go. with that 2.4 is, oh, these things are quick. All Subaru XTs I've driven have blown me away. They feel really fast. Quick, I'll say quick. Fast refers to top end speed. I haven't topped one of these out, so I don't know how they pull after 80 miles an hour. But they definitely got low down torque, that is for sure. Brake pedal, very progressive. It's not touchy, which is perfect for this. While also you don't have to bury it in order to get the desired brake pressure. It's very progressive, very, very well done. One thing that can ruin a great car is a funky brake pedal where it's not aggressive enough, where you really have to put your foot down to get braking pressure, or one that's overly touchy where if you sneeze, you're going through the windshield. Alright, that's good. If you need to turn the wheel, it turns itself back on. Because, of course, when the engine shuts off, you lose power steering. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Some people get mad about turbos, but when they make cars like this fun, this much fun, I'm happy with them. I'm okay with turbos in this instance. It's just my opinion, but you know what? I'm the one driving it. I'm the one having a good time. So you know what? I'll take my opinion on this. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.